Crude oil traded bullish for the day, and those who follow must recall I have mentioned 73.2 as the target. It is done with that and now has come back towards the support zone at 72.4, 72.6. While it is natural gas, which is erased all the gains yesterday, has hit the levels at $4 and now trying to recover. So, what to expect now from oil and gas today? Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we expect the oil to take the driving seat and rally or rise, while natural gas to erase the gains here? Or both are going to rally? What is going to be our strategy actually in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We're going to find out the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profit, trade with confidence. Subscribe, press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day on crude oil and net gas. Thus, do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not forget, friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Let's start first. Oil followed with gas. Watch. Oil on the early charts. Look at the formation. Rise, then the retracement, support at 20 period, then lower highs, then again lower lows, or you can say almost a flat bottom. Now notice this, the bearishness here and bearishness. One thing is clear, bearishness is getting diminished, but not showing any signs of bullishness here. So we have to wait now for oil to break beyond 72.8. If and only if you see oil trading above 72.8, we can say now we are looking forward to a round of rise, taking it all the way towards 73.4, 73.6 zone. Notice the formation. Higher highs are there, higher lows are there, and as long as on the downside now 72 or 71.4, 71.6 zone is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. Let's have a further look. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over for sell, slight bearish sign it is, while the RSI is almost running flat. On the 2 hour charts, if you look on the 2 hour charts, similar observation, rise, retracement, though it could retrace towards 50 period. Right now it is trying to reverse from the 20 period, but that is why I say do not treat this as bullish as long as now 72.8 is not taken. Notice also these levels are very good support, couple of attempts here to break below the support levels here, and thus 72.2 levels is something you should watch out for. Below that also till 71.8 and 71.4 we have extremely good support for oil. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with slight bearishness. It has crossed over and it has still got room for further drop. RSI flat. On the 3 hour now on the 3 hour charts, one important point to note here is the crossover in the moving averages. Yesterday also I have mentioned, and the divergence. This is a confirmation of bullish trend, and that is what we had seen. We have seen oil hitting higher lows and higher highs, and see this channel is still getting respected beautifully. If you connect this, you can see now the highs are well above 74. And also notice the last few candles here, you can observe very good support is seen till towards 72.2. So today you can sell here at 72.2 only, and below that also till 71.8 it is not bearish. And then also even if it trades below 71.8, the next support level still towards 71.4. Do not treat oil as bearish. Hitting the zone again, it can bounce back. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, not yet crossed over though. RSI flat. Coming to 4 observation, more or less same. You can see this after this greater swing, prices are just consolidating here, and very important for it to trade beyond 72.8, 73.4 zone, which will confirm further bullishness. Moving averages crossing over here is anyways a good sign for the bulls, and the divergence it is showing, which is also a good sign. Remember, it is crossing over. Ideally I am just ignoring this. Ideally beyond this you can look forward to a greater rise, and now we have to wait for 73.4, 74, and 75. These are the three key levels, remember, beyond which oil is ready for a greater rally. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has retraced, RSI comfortable. Coming to now, see on the daily charts, I have mentioned one thing yesterday and I have shared it in every analysis. Look at the formation for oil, the support it has created, higher highs are seen, and rise retracement. What it is delivering? It is delivering a bullish wave here with higher lows and higher highs. The highs now for the near term are well above 80 and 82.4. Look at the formation here. You can see largely it is forming a double bottom. It is forming a good base, and now a move beyond 75 should lead to a stronger rally. I have confirmed several times. Now what's happening here? See, this is the zone 73, 73.4. It needs to break beyond this. Once oil prices trade above this, you can say now we are looking forward to little bullishness and 74 and 75 to be seen. Also, yesterday's candle, what it did, it has formed a very, very good support here at 71.8. And this makes this is a very strong support. Though the moving averages have crossed over on the sell side, the price is now trading above all the three moving averages, which is a good sign. Stochastic rising MACD. Now look at MACD. After trading bearish for multiple weeks, it is now crossing over. And notice this rise, retracement, coming down to the same zone. It is now willing to deliver higher highs. RSI rising. So looking at this, what I'll say before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now today the no trade zone is little broader. I will recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying above 72.8 and then to 73.4, 73.6 is the zone you should watch out for. If oil trades beyond this, you can expect 74.1 and then 75 levels very. Right now, the move here is not so aggressively bullish. On the downside now, the selling entry is ideally below 71.8. Yes, if you see it is staying below 71.8, but since this is a little bit far, you can sell at 72.2 levels. However, with the rider, that till 71.8, it's a riskier bet because prices are not yet bearish. Below 71.8, we can fetch a little move here towards 71.4. And if 71.4 is taken, you can just stay short. This is a reversal 70.8, 70 and 69.3. 68 is also possible, though I do not see that happening. We are still staying bullish with crude oil. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now, gas on the hourly charts. Look at the box it is creating. See this rise, retracement, taking the support, it is bouncing back. Now, what did we discuss yesterday? That a possible move towards 4 and 3.94 can be expected. What it is doing, hitting higher lows, trying to bounce back. Now, higher lows also suggest higher highs as well. However, you need to wait. You need to wait for gas to now trade beyond 4.2. Look at the formation here after the rise, taking the support, trying to bounce back. And now 4.2 is the milestone which you should wait for in order to confirm further bullishness. Stochastic rising here, MACD has hit a bottom after a good retracement, now trying to cross over for buy. RSI is also now looking upwards. On the 2-hour chart, see, first, very good support is now created with the 20 period moving average, and thus only selling entry when you see the higher price below 4.1. As long as 4.1 is not taken, we should be careful with the sells. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat. The MACD has traded bearish, trading with divergence, though it has further room for downside, but right now it is trying to converge. It is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is flat. On the 3 Now on the 3-hour charts, look at the formation. A greater decline was seen, and now after hitting the lows, it is trying to bounce back, taking the support from the 20 period. Though it is a very good sign for the bulls, but yes, I will say we have to wait. We have to wait for the prices to trade above 4.2. That will confirm the next move towards higher highs. Moving averages are anyways bullish. Stochastic is also rising, but look at the MACD, it is crossed over, and right now trading with more bearishness. Also, it has lot much of downside available here. The RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. On the 4-hour charts, if you notice, the formation is similar, retracing towards 20 period. Prices trying to bounce back, which confirms its movement in this bullish zone, where the highs are now far above towards 4.6. If you look at the, yes, stochastic is rising. My only concerning point is the MACD, which is right now crossed over and which is right now trading bearish. And this crossover is coming also from a slightly higher levels, which calls for a retracement. RSI has come out of now the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice rise retracement towards 20 period. Bigger the rise, bigger should be the retracement here. Now the support levels are far below. If at all it trades below 4 and 3.94, we can look forward to the next move towards 3.8, and that should ideally be the first strong support zone. What it may do, it may wait for the moving averages to climb up and move somewhere here towards 3.8, 3.4. Hitting the zone is where we can see slight reversal. Though stochastic is overbought, the MACD is rising and MACD still has room for further rise. RSI is overbought. So looking at this, I will only recommend you to buy if you now see net gas trading above 4.2 levels, then also 4.225, 4.25. Three support, three resistances on the upside, 2526 if it takes, you can expect 4.3 and then 4.4 levels directly. 4.4 is the next milestone which I am looking at in the near future, and beyond 4.4 we are waiting for 4.6. On the downside now, a selling entry is recommended at 4.1 levels, below which you can expect 4.075, 4.04 and 4. If it trades below 4, you can expect 3.9495 at the first target. If that is also taken, then 3.88 and 3.8 levels to be seen. Though I do not see that happening, but yes, it is slightly overbought and hence it might take a dip soon. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.